Come inside of my heart if you're looking for answers. Look at the stars going.
Rob, kamusta ka?
My God, it's so cold.
Ha?
Why nobody told me that today's weather is
6 degree.
really, really very cold. And I am just wearing Crocs. And I'm not even wearing a jacket. This might gonna look very comfy, but it's still cold.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm chilling right now. I think I'm gonna buy something I can wear. Because it's very cold, guys. Sandali, ako ay paparada. Tapos hawak ko ang aking Prada. Bounce, baby.
Bili ka na.
Bili na?
Bili
Prada?
na.
Tignan
Oo,
natin.
Bili ka, bili.
Oh my God. I think this is so expensive.
Tingnan, baka ano. Ha? Bili ka. Ah, ito.
Oh, it's 70% off. Plus take an extra 20% off your entire purchase.
Ano yun?
For Michael Kors.
Ito. Ayan, Michael Kors or Coach. Yeah.
Let's check Coach first and then we check Michael Kors. Let's go.
Ah, bubuksan ko. Ayan, sige.
I'm thinking to partner it with this one.
You know what? Let's add it to the mix just for fun.
Dalawa?
This or this? This one. Sabi niya ito daw.
Sino sabi?
Siya.
Oh, ito, maganda yan. Maganda yan. Tingnan. Maganda yan. Mas okay yan.
More space.
More space. So,
Meron lang siyang one bag.
Just for fun.
Oh my
Just
God.
for funsies.
Now I cannot choose because I prefer small bags. It shows, right?
Those are $169. It's only a $10 difference.
I know. But I'm just gonna get one. Because one is enough. Two is too much and three is dangerous. Nothing I
I
just get
would
all of
say-
them.
I'm gonna say
Get two.
I like this one.
This one's cute, really though.
This one I feel like is more in your style.
Of my style. Well, let's just get this one.
Yeah, I like this one the best.
But we're gonna travel, so I think I need this for the passports.
And you know
everything.
what? This is great too because you have the zipper on the top and it comes with the crossbody strap. So when you're traveling,
know.
it's gonna keep everything secure.
Yeah, it's spacious too inside. Well, thank you for giving me choices. Now you're making it harder for me.
Oh no,
It's not.
having options.
Yes, having options doesn't make it easier. It makes harder. Michael Kors new design.
gusto mo yan?
Yeah.
Maganda?
Yeah. Style na gusto kong bag.
Saan? Good siya, okay.
It's pretty.
Dali
And
mo
it's
na.
affordable.
Yan? Yan. Gusto mo yan?
Yeah, okay din.
Ha?
Smaller.
Basta yung gusto mo, ha? Basta yung gusto mo. Hi! Say hi!
Hi! Nasuktan yung ano niya.
Bye-bye, it's around. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Kuluk. Oh!
Eto na guys, si Jinky Pacquiao. Namili si Jinky Pacquiao.
I'm so sorry, guys. It's so tempting.
Ha?
So I got
Dalawa pa, ha?
Huwag niyo ako isusumbong sa mga napagutangan ko kasi baka bigla nila akong singilin.
Birthday mo naman eh. Happy birthday!
Thank you!
Ngayon, Crocs. Para kanino to?
Sa'yo.
Sa
Tsaka
akin?
sa akin. Sa'yo tsaka sa akin. Crocs for you and me.
Pili ka na. Si Ma'am Jay, may no? Namimili pa. Hindi niya alam pipiliin niya.
Kaya yung sa'yo, ayan, rainbow.
Take my whiskey my coffee black and my bed at 3. You're too sweet for me. You're too sweet for me.
kami sa kagastusan. Kasi usapan, di ba, magtitipid sa 2020. Bakit ganon? Bakit yung tipid ko? Diba? Unang buwan ng taon! Magkano nang nagastos mo? So, ito, itry namin yung Charlie's. Kasi sabi nila, the best daw sila sa Philly steak. Pero di tayo umorder ng Philly steak. Charot! Umorder tayo ng Philly steak. Okay, first, ano ba to? Tignan natin Sorry guys, medyo magulo yung camera ko. Okay, so this is the fries, bacon cheese fries. That's for you, Tata. And then, we ordered, ang ganda naman ang kanilang ano, no? Lagyan. Okay, let's see, what's this? Oh, the boneless wings with fries. O, diba? Asan yung chicken dyan? Parang wala ng chicken. And the last but not the least, ang kanilang bestseller. So, ayaw lumabas sa plastic bag. The bestseller, oh, the Philly cheesesteak. Ito na yun? O, yan na daw yun. Okay. Kain na tayo. Nakakagutom. Let's eat, guys. Sabi nila, this one daw is the scorpion sting. And this is so spicy. According to them, ha? Bestseller and so spicy. Okay naman yung amoy. Okay naman din yung itsura. Tingnan natin kung okay din yung lasa. Well, it is spicy, but it's not super spicy for an Asian like me. Because for me, a super spicy is a super duper spicy, like rah! But it is spicy, but not super. Pero, okay naman siya. Masarap naman. We'll try this one too. And this one naman, let's put it back, is their bestseller Philly cheesesteak. Kasi tinanong ko talaga ano yung bestseller. Since first time natin pumunta dito, we should try all the bestseller. So look at that. Let me try. Ready? Yung bread niya, crispy. Okay naman yung lasa niya. Pero mas masarap pa rin yung Philly cheesesteak ni Senny Concession.
Yeah, shoutout mo.
Shoutout, Ate Senny. The best pa rin talaga yung Philly cheesesteak mo. At saka hindi siya overloaded. Ang mahal ng price niya pero hindi siya overloaded. Like, pero okay naman siya para sa mga pwede na. What I can say, pwede na. So yun na nga guys. Mga kachismosang kapitbahay, we're already done. Ginabi na tayo and hindi natin nalibot ng isang araw ang outlet dito sa Orlando. Well, anyways, kasi late na din naman na kami dumating. Kaya ilang oras lang ang stay namin. So, di namin napuntahan lahat. And we're planning to go back. Pero, grabe. As in, talagang mapapagastos ka sa sobrang daming mga offers na makikita mo. And sa mga sales. Diba? Umulan ng dollars. Well, anyways, nag-enjoy naman kami and sobrang lamig. Next time, di na kami pupunta nang hindi kami ready na tumitingin sa weather. Ang lamig-lamig, pero kahit na malamig, nag-ice cream pa din ng mga kids. And, yeah, let's wrap it up. Let's wrap the day. And let's go home because it's already late. Ayun ang aking napakagwapong driver. Kita ba? Hindi kita. So, there you go. This time, sana na-enjoy nyo ang chismis ko sa inyo for today. Diba? Nagustuhan nyo ba ang chismis? Dahil kung hindi, mag-skip na lang kayo! Bye! Mga chismosang kapitbahay hanggang sa muling chismis!